Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see only unread emails in Gmail. Friends, due to some reason, if you only want to view unread emails in your Gmail account, then you simply need to click on show more search options. Now here you need to select unread mails. After selecting unread mail, click on search. Now it will show only unread emails in your inbox. So friends, like this you can very easily see all the unread emails in your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.